21 feet.
Well, Tom, we were just talking about that. I think Eastsand definitely has the opportunity to beat all the American-made trucks, and well, he did by a wide margin. Beat him by almost 26 feet.